What's up, y'all? So today, man, I'm out here. I had a little radiator problem, but I wound up changing that. But ever since then, y'all, the truck been idling at like 220. I swapped it, the heater core, the adapter. I put the metal one on there. Just welded right there in the middle. I changed that whole hose out. New radiator. Like I say, man, I don't know if I got air in the system or is it like just the water pump or possibly like blown head. But yeah, that's what I've been dealing with, guys. And of course the inside.
It's Lil D. Happy Good Friday. Listen, every day above ground is a good day, but Fridays are a positive.
What's the inside? I'm just not starting to receive a little warm air. Y'all can see like where my temp sitting at. It kind of been sitting right there. It don't want to go past that for some reason. It won't go past that, and it won't back down to like 210. Yeah, like I said, I haven't seen it go past, what, 210, 15, 20, 25. Somewhere like 227. And the lowest it would drop to maybe like 220, 225. So, yeah, man, if any one of y'all out there have been, you know, dealing with problems like this, man, let me know. Like I said, the heat is intermittent. I get heat, and then the heat will go out. I will get like a nice little breeze of cooler air come through, and then in the heat process, feel like it was trying to start back to blowing heat. So yeah, man, I don't really know what it is. Right now, I'm kind of feeling like I could be dealing with like a faulty water pump. Yeah, I kind of feel like I could be dealing with a faulty water pump. I checked my oil. Oil seemed good. We walked around to the back of the truck. Like I said, I checked my oil. Oil seemed good. The back, I got no white smoke, so you know I'm kind of ruling out a little head gasket leak. But like I said, what I do notice is every time it do get low, it will do the same thing. I done jumped on ChatGPT and a lot of little, you know, different sites trying to get different opinions. You know, man, because right now I'm just throwing a little money at it. But we're going to get it right, though. You know, we just got to narrow it down. But right now I'm leaning toward it could be my water pump. So, you know, I'm going to keep y'all posted, man. I know a lot of y'all been wondering where I've been. But, man, I just been living, guys. You know, trying to get back into it. Yeah, man, just really trying to get back into it, you know. It kind of took all my little motivation from me. Y'all can see, man. Got the brand new radiator. You know, the hose, I've been out here squeezing this hose maybe every minute or so. And me personally, I kind of feel like I may have air somewhere in the heater hose line, but I could be wrong. But like I say, man, check out, this is what it's doing. And I'm gonna get back in the truck and show y'all the temp. But as y'all can see, you know, it's not a steady flow of bubbles. Right now, the cooling just kind of being steady. So I think I may have air just trapped in, man. But I'll keep y'all posted. I'll let y'all know exactly what the problem is, you know, with the truck. So we get back and we check on the temp. And like I said, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's pretty much at the same spot. He's starting to blow real hot, y'all. It's starting to get real hot. So we're gonna let the truck run for, what time is it? It's 12:44. We're gonna let it run for another, give or take, maybe 10 to 15 minutes. And we'll see, you know, exactly what she's doing. Cause right now, I pretty much done ran through the whole cooling process. You know, I done changed the hoses. I done changed my thermostat, heater core, just about everything, guys. You know, I got the metal one, so I won't have to worry about the plastic get brittle over the course of the time, or things like that. But yeah, as y'all can see, temp kind of currently stand. And I made sure the thermostat that I have is like a 190, you know, rated for the 190 temp. So I know for a fact I didn't go, got like a high temp thermostat. So yeah, man, that's what I've been dealing with, guys. You know, before I experienced this little problem, the truck actually was running fine, temp set at 210, and yeah, just out the blue, man, you know, I was sitting at the red light, my radiator just, you know, it didn't run hot. It didn't run hot, you know, my radiator just cracked. I pulled over to the side, noticed what the problem was. But I maybe was like 3 minutes away from home. So I was able to make it home, guys. We're gonna show y'all the truck. I know y'all done seen it in a minute. So yeah, I was able to make it back home to the crib, you know. So I parked it. Yeah, guys, like I said, I was able to make it home, you know, to the crib. And yeah, man, I parked it and, you know, came out here when I can come out here. But yeah, that's what I'm dealing with, man. Tomorrow, guys, you know, I might go ahead and do the little pressure test, see if I go to AutoZone and get the little, you know. So that's what I'm saying. So we'll see what it's gonna do after this. I believe this is the first time the fans actually kicked in. So maybe they'll go through that cycle and temp probably go down. Right now, our fans done kicked in, guys, and y'all can see what she's doing. I need y'all to jump down into the comments, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think that it possibly could be. Now I'm gonna get back in the truck and check on this temp. And as y'all can see, even with the fans on high, she's still just sitting in the same place. So yeah, man, this is what I'm covering, experiencing. This is what I'm dealing with. 2013 Chevy Tahoe PPV. what I'm dealing with. Heat kind of went back to getting cool, but it's still warm. It's just not as warm as it was. So yeah, that's what I'm dealing with. You know, I've been trying to bleed this here system for last couple of days, man. Been giving me a headache. I've been throwing everything that I can throw at it. Don't want to think the worst possibilities, but yeah, she's still kind of climbing. She gets to 230, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut off. I don't want her to get too hot. Yeah, I'll cut off and I'll try again a little bit later. But right now, I'm kind of leaning toward water pump. Y'all can hear those fans. Yeah, y'all can hear those fans. Look like she want to overflow. I'm gonna cut her off, guys. You know, I just made this little video, man. Right now, I'm just asking for everybody's opinion who's been dealing with issues similar to what I'm dealing with currently. Yeah, so we gonna cut her off, man. So yeah, guys, y'all leave me a comment, jump into the comments. Y'all let me know your opinion. Y'all let me know, have y'all been dealing with, experiencing something of this nature? 2013 Chevy Tahoe PPV. Like I said, I changed the radiator. After that, man, I've been sitting at temps is like higher than 220, you know. I drove it around the block yesterday. It kind of climbed up, but like I said, I only drove it around the block, so I was able to make it to the driveway before it actually ran hot. So if anybody mechanics that's on my channel, guys, yeah, man, feel free, give me your opinion. Let me know what you think, man. Like I said, this your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Stop logging on, signing out. Like I said, man, I know y'all been wondering where I've been, but I just been living, man. Like I said, guys, I kind of lost a little motivation to do this YouTube thing, man. But, hey, the universe got its way of pulling you back. So I'm back, man. With that being said, man, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you're new to the channel, just watching the videos, guys, most definitely hit that button. Share the channel, jump down to the comments, give me your opinion. Run through some of the older videos, guys. Check those out, Other than that, man, we're going to get up out of here, man. I thank each and every one of y'all for watching this video. It's your boy, Big Smurf from the Wolf Style, logging on, signing out. Y'all already know positive lives, spread positive vibes. So with that being said, peace.